Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect TikTok Pixel to Shopify. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. In order to do that, just click on this add apps right here that you can see on your Shopify dashboard, and then just look for TikTok right here. If you can see it, just click on the Shopify app store right here on the bottom. Once you have done that, you should be redirected to the Shopify app store from in there. So in here, just click on this search bar and search in here for TikTok. So let's try to search in here for TikTok. And then you should be able to see in here this TikTok right here. So click on that. And on this, click on this install option right here in order to install this particular app on your Shopify right there. Head over and click on this install button right here in order to successfully install it. Now you can see in here that we have successfully installed TikTok. Now in here, click on the setup now right here on your TikTok marketing. Now in here, we need to create it for a business. So connect your TikTok for a business right here. Head over and click on that and then log in with TikTok in order to successfully connect those two. So let me head over and authorize this. From in there, click on this connect right here in order to connect those two. From in there, click on this create new right here on your TikTok Ads Manager in order to create an ad for this one. So head over, click on this sign up and connect from in there, and then make sure to agree to the terms and conditions from in there. Now in here, just choose your data sharing, and then in here you can see your TikTok pixel. Click on confirm from in there. And then once you have done that, this will load in here again and you should be able to set up your company information. So let's click on the setup right here in order to set it up, and you can choose in here your business address and like. From in there, click on this finish setup right here in order to finish everything. And then from in there, you can see that this is actually on the account review. So just wait for this in order to be approved in order to successfully use your TikTok Pixel with your Shopify. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful or if you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.